Before my first breath, your heart was already mine, carrying pain, bearing life on a sacred line. Through sleepless nights, your whisper calmed my cry. 1,000 feet, a million dreams beneath moonlit sky. When I stumbled through my steps and scraped my knees, you kissed the hurt-soaked courage on the breeze. From toddler tales to teenage storms I braved, you held me firm, the soul who never swayed. You are the only love that never fades away. From cradle to grave, you're with me every day, sacrificing all your time, your breath, your flame. Forever in your heart, I'm more than just a name. They say love changes with time, but one kind of love never fades. It begins before our first breath. Pain, sacrifice, and endless care. Her silent strength, she woke through countless nights. Fed us when her body begged for rest. She gave up her time, her youth, her dreams, just so we could dream freely. She wouldn't when we got tight low. Her life was busy every week, every moment, yet she never complained. Even while sick, she stayed strong for us. When hardship came, she stood between it and us. Some mothers even refused to remarry, afraid a new love might harm her children. Her life had struck potent and died. She never leaves her child behind. She loves deeper than anyone ever will. We name her a living God. She is not just love, she's the only eternal love. Busy hands, weary bones, yet always near. Even when sick, your touch dissolves my fear. You give, you heal while hiding your own pain. A silent warrior dancing in life's rain. Worried from afar through every life stage, never asking for thanks, never counting age. Some others stay alone, afraid we'll be hurt, protecting us like gold buried deep in dirt. You are the only love that never fades away. From cradle to grave, you're with me every day, sacrificing all your